5 Best Kvm Switch. Here is the product number 5. 2-port HDMI USB Kvm 4K switcher. Features: 2-in-1 out design. This practical HDMI Kvm switch box enables to control 2 PC hosts to a single monitor and share a mouse and keyboard set. The all-metal housing protects internal circuit while reducing interference from the external signal. High performance: this device has excellent image processing and transmission capabilities, a more stable output signal, more reliable. Here is the product number 4. Rocketek USB Kvm switch box. Rocketek USB switch, USB sharing switch for 2 computers sharing 4 USB 2.0 ports, Kvm switches for PCs with 1 button swapping and 2-pack USB cable. USB sharing U-bone button swapping between 2 computers. Convenient and efficient, 2 computers share 4 USB devices, plug and play. Here is the product number 3. OULLX Kvm Switch USB 3.0 switch. Specification: input, 2 USB 3.0 ports. Output, 4 USB 3.0 ports. Monitor connections, 2 ports. OULLX USB switch, USB sharing switch for 2 computers sharing 4 USB 2.0 ports. Kvm switches for PCs with 1 button swapping and 2-pack USB cable. Here is the product number 2. Ugreen HDMI Kvm switch 2-port. Ugreen HDMI/VGA Kvm switch allows you to share 1 USB keyboard, USB mouse, and monitor to control 2 computers. It is designed for multitask with 2 computers at your convenience, increasing productivity in the office or at home. You can switch between 2 computers using a manual switch located on the top of the Kvm unit. Here is the product number 1. Ugreen USB Kvm switch USB 3.0 2.0. Ugreen USB 3.0 2.0 Kvm switch 2-4 is an excellent choice to share 4 USB devices between 2 systems. It's ideal for sharing a printer or scanner in a small office environment. It's also great for use at home if you have multiple PCs or Macs. Maximum power supply, 5 volts/2A.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.